Brandywine is a continuing care retirement community. We have all levels of care, including independent living, memory care, personal care, and skilled nursing care, including rehabilitation. We're really excited about the construction project. It's in our Hunt Club area, which is our more informal dining area, which will be a real big facelift for us to add a bar and also update and modernize our areas.
We are renovating just under 2,000 square feet, which will consist of new flooring, tile, paint, kitchen equipment, seating, and the big new pizza oven.
Now with the renovation, we're going to be able to have a bistro type atmosphere that's going to be a whole other restaurant that's going to be able to provide a whole separate menu, a whole different feel to what we do now.
The renovation and upgrades that will be in our casual bistro area will provide a beautiful new backdrop to casual dining for our residents, as well as their guests and family and visitors.
Yes, we put the group of subcontractors and designers together from day one that were given basically a napkin sketch, and we came up with a scope.
Design and concept came about because we know what the current consumer is looking for. We have a lot of baby boomers that are looking into Freedom Village Brandywine, and we knew adding some updated dining options would be appealing to folks, and even for the residents that are currently living here, they're looking for a place to gather and have more of a informal bar type setting where they can have casual dining but in an upscale way.
I'm most excited for the pizza oven because Chef Ray has some really great ideas for how we're going to be able to provide pizzas and flatbreads and really be able to use this pizza oven as the focal point for this bistro.
I'm most excited about the project getting started. I know it's been something that's been a long time in the making. We just have to get the permits approved and we're ready to start, so hopefully this coming summer we're going to get started and we're looking forward to that. Paul Riss was part of creating Freedom Village Brandywine. They helped us build the first buildings here, and we've utilized them in the past, and we know they have a caring approach and attention to detail, and we appreciate that, and we're looking forward to partnering with them again.
Yeah, we look forward to seeing the before and after of this project. We can't wait to see the faces of the resident and the client once we're done.
Prospective residents and interested parties can get a hold of us by reaching out via our website, fvbrandywine.com.